Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to create your USB for Aqua Spoofer Guide. First, go to Google and type in Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Should be the first link that pops up. You're going to click the second button, Download Now. Once that's downloaded, put it on your desktop and make sure your USB is plugged in. Any USB that is 8 gigabytes or larger is necessary for this process. For me, I will be using a 64 gigabyte one. Anything 8 gigabytes or larger will suffice. In the meantime, while the setup is starting, make sure you look up MS Info and locate your baseboard product. For me, I have an MSI, and this may vary for you, and if this is wrong, make a ticket in the Discord server. Now that you have that, I'm going to look up my motherboard. Then on the website, I'm going to go to the support page. I'm going to go back to the Windows 10 setup and create installation media for a USB flash drive. I'm going to click Next, and then USB flash drive. Then I'm going to select this and go Next. Now this is going to create the USB, and in the meantime, we're going to download the necessary things that we need to continue the process. So first, firmware and BIOS version. You want to make sure that the firmware BIOS version is going to be different. So for me, since I'm on this version, which is here, I'm going to downgrade one version. So I download this to my desktop and I click Save. Then I go to the driver page, make sure I select Windows 10. Then I'm going to go to my LAN drivers, which will have my network drivers. I'll download that as well. And then I will also need to download my RAID drivers. You want to download the latest one, and I'll save that alongside to my desktop. Then you're going to want to go to the guide, and then go here to creating your Windows USB. You're going to want to go to this one, drag this file alongside as well. Once you download that also to your desktop, you can now close out of the pages. I'm going to extract everything here. For the auto unattend file, I'm going to drag it out of the folder. For this, these are my RAID drivers. So I'm going to take it out of that folder. I'm going to rename this to RAID drivers. I'm going to put that there. Since this is the BIOS update file, I'm going to rename this to BIOS update. Put that alongside these. And for my network drivers, I'm going to drag that folder out and rename this Ethernet install. Now that I have all of the above, now we wait for the USB to finish. It looks like it's almost done. Great, now that it's finished, I can open up File Explorer, and I simply drag and drop everything onto the USB. Now that the USB is done, you're ready to proceed to the next step of flashing your BIOS and reinstalling Windows.